Alright, welcome to my dump, my house. As you guys see, got wood floors in here, I've been trying to clean them up. And you got high traffic areas, like in here. You can take a sander, buzz all that down, no problems. But, when you get in the areas where there's still varnish, lacquer, whatever the hell you want to call it, shellac, you got issues. So I was dinking around and checking out removing the YouTube, and I watched somebody remove the varnish on their floor with this 2-minute remover that you get at Manures. It's made by Sunnyside Products. Because you take your sander and you hit one of those spots where there's a bunch of that crap, this is what does your sandpaper. And yeah, I know. Why don't you just get a floor sander? They rent those. Problem is, the nearest Home Depot to me is an hour one way. It's an hour back. Obviously, hour one way, hour back. Well, anyways, it's for 6 hours, so you get 4 hours worth of use, roughly, and the things get you back. Well, to me, it's not cost effective, and being that it does this paper is telling me that sander ain't gonna work with the shit as far as moving this coating. And the other issue we got here is you're not really gonna be able to see it. I got some flat around here. Oh, let's try this. My puss mittens. But anyways, flooring flat because one of the spots where the roof leaked was right here, and still kicking around and painting it. I don't know. I really don't. I don't know if I want to paint it or if I want to clear it. And I honestly don't know. But anyways, and also what I got going on here is I do not like this texture on the walls. And what this texture here is for is to hide the waviness in the wall because it's plaster behind here. So what I did is I took a paint scraper, buzzed down the walls. And like I said, I just don't have time right now to do it. It's not in my schedule. I just can't do it. But what I want to do is got that wall, got that wall, got that wall. I want to put my TV right here, so I want, internet plug-in right there and everything else. I don't have to do shit wirelessly. Because it travels faster through the wire than it does the air. And then I want to insulate these exterior walls because it's got that blown-in cellulose. It's like R3 insulation value. Well, if I put fiberglass in or I have it spray foam, which I know a guy that does it, I go up to about an R13 or more. So, and then we got this too, Figure I'll just knock all the walls smooth and deal with them for the winter. But what I'm probably gonna do, I got some Battleship Gray for the floors. I have antique white for the trim, and then I got a different shade of gray for the walls. So that's what I'm doing. And as far as this stuff goes, for the time being, I'm probably gonna buzz it down and just paint it white too to match the floorboard. And this summer, I will go to hog hell in this place. I'm gonna tear everything out of it. It's hell living in a house where the bathroom works, your kitchen half-ass works, and your bedrooms are only livable spaces. Otherwise, so I couldn't justify putting furniture and stuff in here and whatever. But anyways, let's see what we got for. Let's see how this shit works. If it works, hopefully it works. I really hope it does. Oh, it looks like it's wrinkling up. Mint titty. I decided to go the tree hugger route Bought some of this stuff. Yeah, what a bunch of garbage. All it did was make it lighten the floor up a little bit. Like right here I did it. It made it real sticky. That's all it did. I can make floors really sticky on my own. I don't need help. Whoops, I hope I put you guys in the camera, huh? And these are probably not the right gloves to be doing this with, because this chemical will probably eat right through it. So do as I say, not as I do. Get the right shit. Wow, look at that. Fucking beautiful. And the only thing I haven't figured out yet is how to get this shit up off the floor. Makes me wonder if I can take it and scoop in a pile and put it onto this. I'm gonna try it, see if I can save myself a couple bucks. But that is freaking beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna keep moving around. Fill you guys in when I figure out more stuff. Cho! Alright. Night later. Stripped all that. And get a little test sample back there. And I'm making my way this way. And I made a comment the other night. I was trying to show how weeby-wobby the floor is because of the water leak. Well, I'm going to set my grinder up, my sander, my really aggressive sander with some 40 grit. Let's set it up here so I can really show you how much it cuts into shit. You get the boards flat. Kind of fun watching to a point. Hang on. Alright, let's try this again. As I'm killing a camera for this. Right here is not so bad. Right here, not so good. Whoa, 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 whoa. We got enough cord here. Reach this far. Here we go. Whoa, buddy. Whoa, camera. Gotta crank up my tripod so it don't move. There we go. Notice the hanger right between the seams here. Am I getting this? Yeah. That's how warped these floors are. You actually got to hit between two boards before you hit the middle. Try to smooth it out. That's ought to be a go. Oh, that's a good ridge right there. That should be a nice fucking mess.
It's somewhat flat now. Just a little bit of sanding. Yeah, it's a pretty good pile. That's why you hear the fan running in the background, because it's pulling dust particles out of the air, pushing it outside. And you're wondering why the sander keeps cutting out, it's because I keep it in the end of the cord. It's about on it ready to unplug from the wall. So I'm going to go get an extension cord and keep on doing what I'm doing. I'm using that sander to smooth this out, and then I'm going to take a DA and use that to buzz everything down, make everything nice and smooth. But yeah, yummy, yummy, yummy. Want some? Want some? Kind of dry. Might need some water to eat that, but a little fiber in your diet.
Want bone?
Oh,